Julie Phillips, and you're looking at product 16.1, A Teacher's Guide to the Earth's Hydrosphere, or the Earth's Water Surface Lesson Plan. And again, it's product 16.1 is part of a 3-product series that focuses on water science. So in this 21-week lesson plan, 9 pages long, it takes you and your students through the process of learning about the Earth's water surface. 71% of the Earth's surface is water, and parts of it are freshwater, parts of it are saltwater. It talks about watersheds, about all the different ways that water move through these waterways, and then many of the challenges that we face and the incredible breakthroughs that have occurred in things like the Clean Water Act. So it's an opportunity for you and your students to explore your own local watershed, and we give you ways to approach that, as well as look at what's the global picture and the local picture in terms of water science. I think you'll really enjoy this lesson plan, and again, it's one of 3 products that are focused on water science. So enjoy.